Welcome to Unveiling the Hidden Power of Your Mind, fascinating curiosities about the human brain. Get ready for a journey into the depths of your brain. The human brain is undoubtedly one of the most complex and intriguing structures in the universe. Encompassed within the shell of our skull, this biological wonder holds the key to countless mysteries of life. Today, we're going to take a closer look at this astonishing organ, unraveling some of its remarkable features and uncovering its fascinating capabilities. Weighing in at approximately 3 pounds, the brain is made up of billions of neurons. Each of these tiny, yet powerful, cells is interconnected, working in harmony to shape our thoughts, memories, emotions, and actions. It's in the intricacies of these connections, the electrochemical impulses that travel through various pathways, that the magic of cognition and behavior occurs. Despite its complexity, the brain uses only about 20 watts of power, allowing it to generate and process an almost unfathomable amount of information with great efficiency. This consumption is selective, meaning that when a mental task becomes more demanding, its energy consumption can gradually increase to support and satisfy the elevated mental demands. Our journey first takes us to memory, our mental time machine. Scientific researchers distinguish between short-term and long-term memory, the former storing information briefly and the later enabling us to save and retrieve it over a longer course. Memories, they say, are not stored in one specific location of the brain, but are processed in a variety of regions, including the hippocampus and the amygdala. Moving on, let's talk about perception, which is about making meaning from raw sensory data. Each second, our brain absorbs and processes a vast amount of information from our senses, from identifying familiar scents to interpreting visual cues. Our sense organs are indeed windows to the world, but it's our brain that turns these threads of sensory information into a robust fabric of experience that we recognize as our reality. Now, we delve into thought, our mind's expression. What makes you, you? What drives your choices, shapes your beliefs, and dictates your actions? It's your thoughts that build the fortress of your personality. Collected and analyzed, thoughts balance emotion and reason, and sustain your mental well-being. Thoughts are indeed the crucible of human identity. Our fascinating journey through the brain takes a pit stop at the phenomenon of perception without awareness. This intriguing area of study demonstrates how the brain operates subconsciously, often coming to conclusions or recognizing patterns long before the conscious mind is aware of them. Simply put, you see much more than you realize. Next up is the plasticity of the brain, which highlights its fascinating flexibility to learn, to adapt, and to recover. The brain is continuously reshaping its neural pathways in response to learning and experiences, reinforcing the use it or lose it adage. This innate ability to evolve gives us the power to change, to grow, and to overcome. Navigating further, we turn our focus to neuroplasticity and the recovery process post-brain injuries. Through rehabilitation and the right support system, damaged brain areas can find new ways of performing essential functions, making these individuals a symbol of perseverance and recovery. Humans have always found ways to gather strength against all odds, and our brains illustrate this principle as a testament to our species' resilience. Shining a spotlight on synesthesia, we make an exciting pit stop. This fascinating neurological condition occurs when stimulation of one sensory pathway leads to automatic, involuntary experiences in a second pathway. For people with this condition, letters and numbers may be associated with a specific color, music may produce sensory experiences, and more, making familiar sights and sounds a truly unique journey of the senses. In an equally fascinating turn of inquiry, we uncover how our brain processes language. In the production of speech, various parts of the brain work in sync, from planning the message in the frontal lobe to articulating the sounds in the motor cortex, and understanding the meaning in the temporal lobe. This intricate dance of the cognitive functions embodies the mysterious and astonishing power of brain-language processing. Advancing our excursion into linguistic curiosity, we illuminate the intriguing phenomenon of language extinction. As languages evolve and adapt, the less spoken languages, ones without new speakers or that remain confined to particular geographical or socio-political contexts, are at perilous risk of becoming extinct. A significant portion of the world's linguistic diversity is in immediate danger of being lost. This not only means a loss of linguistic heritage but also a profound detriment to the untapped knowledge held within these systems of communication. Embarking on the incredible world of spatial reasoning, we leap into the cognition and processing that allows us to understand, remember, and manipulate shapes or solve spatial problems. Human beings perceive the world through various spatial dimensions, and our brains are uniquely tuned to this aspect of reality, contributing significantly to the human propensity for innovation and creativity. Let's now shine a light on the brain's influential role in generating creativity. Creativity is the lifeblood of human progress, and the human brain, with its intricate neural connections and complex inner wiring, is a hotbed of innovative thinking. Art, science, philosophy, every field that encourages original thought owes its existence to this cohesive dance of brain cells. Continuing our journey, we turn to the intriguing connection between the brain and music. One of the most captivating human experiences, music touches us at a fundamental emotional level and stimulates our brain in an extraordinary way. Various regions of the brain light up when we listen to, create, or perform music, emphasizing its status as a universal language comprehended by the human brain. As we journey through the brain's magnificent maze, we highlight the effects of various brain states on reality. Altered states of consciousness, such as those achieved through meditation, dreams, or mind-altering substances, can drastically change our perception of reality. These experiences, though further from our ordinary conscious awareness, shed light on the remarkable range of capabilities and perspectives our brain can embody. The incredible ability of brains to synchronize with others, contributing to social interaction and empathy, is our next stop. The mirror neuron system plays a significant role in this intriguing cornucopia of human behavior. These neurons light up when we observe or imitate others' actions, enabling us to understand and empathize with the experiences and emotions of our fellow human beings. Moving towards the twilight of our journey, we highlight the fascinating research on the brain-computer interfaces. These revolutionary systems interpret brain activity and translate it into a meaningful output, allowing people with neurological disorders to communicate and interact with their environment. These advancements in technology are the line where cutting-edge scientific research meets the boundaryless potential of human imagination. As we wrap up, we leave you with the intriguing idea that the mind, your mind, has an inherent power to shape reality. Constructing interpretations of sensory information, modifying responses based on memories, emotions, learning, our mind continuously engages with reality, creating our unique worldview. At this intricate crossroads of mind and matter, we perceive the bridge that connects the microscopic dance of neurons to the vast cosmos of human consciousness, traveling through the realms of memory, perception, thought, unconscious cognition, neuroplasticity, language, creativity, music, social interactions, and futuristic brain-computer interfaces. We have only scratched the surface. However, we have covered a lot of ground. As we conclude our enlightening voyage, let's remember the awe-inspiring potential of this threat-bound organ and the unfathomable mysteries it still holds. After all, every moment of thought, every flash of inspiration, is a testament to the limitless power of the human brain. We invite you to continue this exploration beyond this platform, into the pages of scientific journals, the riveting narratives of exceptional individuals, and your personal experiences and reflections, helping you discover the profound potential of our most hidden organth brain. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. Next time you ponder over an enigma or create something remarkable, remember, it's your brain, the site of boundless intelligence and unfathomable possibility, that makes it all possible. The journey into the realm of our brain might seem to end here for now, but in reality, it's never ending, much like thoughts that continuously ripple across the vast expanse of the human mind. Every moment of our lives unravels a new facet, a hidden dimension, of this fascinating organ. And with each revelation, we inch one step closer towards understanding and appreciating the magnificent wonder that is the human brain. We leave you with a mind-boggling question: is the brain understanding itself, a tiny piece of the universe trying to comprehend the enormity of its own existence? Ponder on that, and once again, thank you for your attention. We end on a hopeful note, dreaming of a future where mental health, disabilities, and disorders are better understood and any barriers between what we know and what can still be discovered are demolished. The human brain, in all its variable toughness and vulnerability, would definitely continue to captivate and surprise us. Finally, remember, the most powerful feature of the human brain is the ability to transform information into knowledge and knowledge into action. Harness this ability, and the possibilities are limitless. So, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep stimulating your most potent tool, your brain. Our journey has concluded, but the discovery of the human brain continues. Researchers and innovators worldwide strive to understand and capitalize on the brain's potential for the betterment of humankind. One day, we might uncover all the hidden secrets of this amazing organ. Until then, new ones might keep emerging. It's awe-inspiring to think about the potential the human brain holds. From curing diseases and solving the world's most pressing problems to creating art that moves us and technology that revolutionizes the way we live, the capabilities of this biological marvel are truly limitless. Human brain, the true repository of our identity, the propeller of human progress, and the quintessential holder of the absurdly beautiful concept we call life. Reflecting on the lessons that this journey has chartered for us, we realize that it is, after all, a journey not into the brain, but into the depths of ourself. Our adventure into the intricate machinery of the human brain has opened our eyes to its colossal potential. The brain, this threat-bound organ within our head, is the most complex system known to man. Let's continue to marvel at its wonder, respect its power, and nurture this essential part of us. By looking at the human brain in such a fascinating light, one can only marvel at the advances mankind has made in understanding and appreciating this intricate, delicate and vital organ that holds the secret to our existence. As we forge ahead, driven and inspired by such scientific marvels, we can only hope that the journey ahead will be as illuminating as this one. The brain is, possibly, the most extraordinary device ever created. It's as if this organ could encompass the universe within itself, and yet remain hidden from view. It has facilitated infinite voyages to different chambers of human knowledge and discovery, each as unprecedented as the last. To dawn at the close, the human brain is truly a marvel of nature that both daunts and informs our understanding of self and one another. It is a guide to the past, a scribe of the present and a sculptor of the future. That is the true power of the brain: to live, to process, to create. Background: the mesmerizing dance of the northern lights in a starry sky. The brain, in essence, is the seat of all human potential. Our greatest questions, our deepest emotions, our most creative impulses, they all originate from this biological command center. Journeying into this expansive realm, we hope you have gained a greater appreciation for this incredible organ and the enigmatic nature of human consciousness.